Okay, so because of that bug, we need to bake a displacement map now. I originally didn't really wanted to do that, but because we have this situation, we're gonna have to do it. Now, one of the things that I'll actually tell you, I'm not gonna be baking it from the lowest subdivision, but instead I'm gonna be baking it from the fifth subdivision to the sixth subdivision, so that the difference would be as less as much possible. And you can see that I'm basically just using a 8K map, and that 8K map is also gonna be the UDIM. So we are gonna be having the two extra UDIMs for it, which means three maps. So we are gonna be using the three 8K maps because that's how we've set up our UVs. And now let's actually go into the bake. So first thing first, the bake type is gonna be the displacement, as you can see. Also, one of the important thing, you need to make sure that you actually add the image texture in the node setup. I really hope that you know how to bake stuff, by the way, because this is like super basic. Also, I am in the fifth subdivision while this is baking, so so that the difference between the map is not from the zero, like from the lowest subdivision, but from the fifth to sixth subdivision. If the viewport right now would have been at the zero, like if it would have been at the lowest subdivision, Blender would calculate the displacement from the zero to the sixth, so the difference would be a bit too much. I really wanted I know that this is just gonna be the portrait render and we are not gonna be animating it, so I think it is totally fine to go from fifth to sixth subdivision. And that's why you can see in the viewport the fifth subdivision is selected. I mean, right now you cannot see it, but if you were to just go back the video, you can see that we were at the fifth subdivision. And now let's actually just wait for the map to bake. And it's done. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.